Hey, Matt with Motul USA here with the guys at 3zero3 Motorsports in Denver, Colorado to show you why using a quality motor oil is important in your European car. 3zero3 uses Motul exclusively, particularly our 8100 line. Our 540 X-CESS is the house oil that they use, and which goes in most of the cars that come through the shop. Motul has been making and reinventing motor oil for 165 years. We actually invented the first multi-grade oil, the first semi-synthetic, and the world's first 100% synthetic back in 1971. And this is exactly why the guys at 3zero3 Motorsports use Motul motor oil and lubricants, because they know that it's going to retain its additive package, its viscosity, and its lubricity through the entire oil change interval. Be sure to check out the 3zero3 blog for more details and information on our products. Thanks for watching, guys.